Alright team, let's talk about staying fit while working from home. More and more of us are ditching the commute and embracing the flexibility of remote work. But here's the thing. Just because you're working from your sofa doesn't mean your health has to take a back seat. We're going to explore how to stay energized, fit, and feeling fantastic. All from the comfort of your own home. Now I know what you're thinking. Joe, it's just so easy to get sucked into work and forget to move. And you're right, it's a common trap we fall into. But trust me, staying active while working from home is absolutely crucial. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, having more energy, and boosting your mood. Think about it. When you feel sluggish and unfit, it impacts everything. Your work suffers, your mood dips, and even the simplest tasks feel like a chore. But when you prioritize your fitness, everything changes for the better. You'll find yourself bouncing off the walls with energy, smashing through your to-do list, and radiating positivity. So, are you ready to ditch the excuses and embrace a healthier, happier you? Let's do this together. Okay, let's be real for a second. Working from home has its perks, but it also comes with a unique set of challenges, especially when it comes to maintaining your fitness and overall well-being. Working from home presents its own unique set of challenges. The lines between work and personal life blur, making it difficult to stick to a routine. When it comes to staying active, you might find yourself sitting for hours on end, barely moving from your desk. It's easy to get stuck in a rut, glued to your laptop, snacking your way through the day. The convenience of having your kitchen just a few steps away can be both a blessing and a curse. Trust me, I've been there. The struggle is real, and it's something many of us are facing. One of the biggest hurdles is the constant temptation to snack. Those chips, cookies, and other treats are always within arm's reach. Your kitchen is just a few steps away, and those crisps and biscuits are calling your name. It's hard to resist the urge to grab a quick snack, especially when you're feeling stressed or bored. But don't worry, we'll tackle that later with some easy diet tips. Simple changes like preparing healthy snacks in advance can make a big difference. Another challenge is the lack of structure. Without the natural breaks that come with an office environment, it's easy to lose track of time and forget to move around. When you're in an office, you're forced to get up and move around, whether it's for meetings, coffee breaks, or just to chat with colleagues. These small movements add up and help keep you active. At home, it's easy to stay glued to your chair for hours on end. You might not even realize how much time has passed until you start feeling stiff and sore. And let's not forget about the dreaded afternoon slump. That post-lunch dip in energy can be a real productivity killer. You know that feeling of exhaustion that hits you like a ton of bricks after lunch? Yeah, that one. It's all too common and can make it hard to stay focused. It's all too easy to reach for another coffee or sugary snack to power through. But these quick fixes can lead to crashes later on. But fear not, my friends. There are ways to combat these challenges and stay on top of your fitness game. We're going to overcome these challenges together. With a few simple strategies, you can stay active and healthy even while working from home. With a little bit of planning, motivation, and some killer workout routines, you'll be able to create a balanced and effective fitness regimen. You'll be feeling fantastic in no time. So let's get started and conquer these WFH fitness challenges together. Now for the fun part, let's get physical. Working out at home can be just as effective and enjoyable as hitting the gym. Plus, it saves you time and money. The good news is you don't need a fancy gym membership. You can achieve your fitness goals right in the comfort of your own home, or expensive equipment to get a great workout at home. With just a few basic items, or even none at all, you can perform a variety of exercises. All you need is a little bit of space and a whole lot of enthusiasm. Your living room, bedroom, or even a small corner can become your personal gym. Here are a few simple exercises you can do right now. No special equipment required. Jumping jacks, a classic for a reason. This exercise is great for warming up and getting your blood pumping. Get that heart rate up with some good old-fashioned jumping jacks. They are perfect for cardiovascular health and can be done anywhere. Aim for 20 to 30 reps. If you're feeling energetic, you can even go for more. Squats. Target those legs and glutes with some bodyweight squats. This exercise is fantastic for building lower body strength. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your back straight and your knees behind your toes, and then stand back up. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Make sure to engage your core for better stability. Push-ups, a fantastic exercise for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also help in strengthening your core. If you're new to push-ups, start with your knees on the ground. This modification reduces the load and helps you build strength gradually. Aim for 5 to 10 reps. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of reps or try the standard push-up form. Plank. Engage your core and build strength with a plank. This exercise is excellent for overall core stability. Hold your body in a straight line from head to toe, resting on your forearms and toes. Keep your core tight and avoid letting your hips sag. Aim to hold for 30 to 60 seconds. If you're a beginner, start with shorter durations and gradually increase the time. Remember, these are just a few examples. There are countless other exercises you can do at home. You can mix and match exercises, try different variations, and keep your routine interesting and challenging. And gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. This will help you continue to make progress and avoid plateaus. The key is to find what works for you and make it a habit. Consistency is crucial for achieving your fitness goals. So, get moving and have fun. Now that you've got some killer exercises under your belt, let's talk about creating a fitness routine that fits seamlessly into your work-from-home life. It's all about finding a balance that works for you so you can stay active without feeling overwhelmed. No need to clear your schedule for hours at the gym. We're all about those short, effective workouts that leave you feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. These quick sessions can be just as beneficial as longer ones, especially when done consistently. Start small and build up. Don't try to do too much too soon. It's important to ease into your new routine to avoid burnout and injury. Begin with 15 to 20-minute workouts a few times a week and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you get fitter. This gradual approach helps your body adapt and makes the habit stick. Schedule it in. Treat your workouts like important meetings and schedule them into your calendar. This way, you're more likely to commit and less likely to skip them. This will help you stay consistent and make it less likely you'll skip a session. Consistency is key to seeing progress and achieving your fitness goals. Break it up. No time for a full workout? No problem. You can still stay active by breaking your workout into smaller chunks throughout the day. Break it down into smaller chunks throughout the day. This approach can be just as effective and is perfect for those with busy schedules. Do a few sets of squats while waiting for your coffee to brew, or squeeze in some push-ups during commercial breaks. These mini workouts add up and keep you moving. Make it fun. Find activities you genuinely enjoy. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you're more likely to stick with it. Whether it's dancing, yoga, or any other activity that gets you moving, make sure it's something you look forward to. Or maybe a brisk walk in the park is more your style. The key is to find what makes you happy and keeps you motivated. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be a time you look forward to, a time to de-stress and take care of yourself. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels and don't be afraid to adjust your routine as needed. Your body knows best, so trust it. If you're feeling sore, take a rest day or opt for a gentler workout. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself, so give your body the time it needs to heal and grow stronger.